How's it going, everybody? Here at Dash Trucks, we got another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, make sure you drop some like. If you want to stay up to date to our inventory, the best way to do that is to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We post walk around videos almost daily, so be sure you subscribe. Without further ado, today's vehicle is a 2014 Hino 268A. It's a 26-foot box truck with a liftgate and ramp, so that's really cool. It has 241,000 miles, and for these kinds of Hinos, the JOAP engine is really not a lot. We'll get into that here in just a little bit some more, but let's go ahead and hop on into the walk around video and check it out here. It's a non-CDL vehicle, so that means it has the GVWR is 25,950, so it's non-CDL license. We're going to check out the tires here first. The tires all the way around are really good, actually. On your life left off those. Right over here, you've got an engine block heater. Especially if you live in Colorado or in those cold climates, that's going to be super handy just to warm up that pan before you start up the truck. That definitely goes hand in hand in keeping the truck maintained, I should say. You've got a 90-gallon diesel tank. So you also have a cargo box over here, which you can lock. There we go. Alright, we'll worry about that later. Yeah, we gotta do some work on that. That's okay. But moving on over here, let's get you guys a good look at the chassis. Slow and nice. Right over here. As you can see, not a lot of rust going on at all. Your chassis is actually in great condition. Now you do have air suspension and air brakes as well. So I know that's going to be a super big factor for most folks. Here are the rear dual tires. Again, great condition, plenty of life left on them. Popping back over here. So as I said, you do have a ramp. Now this is a 1,300-pound capacity ramp. It just pulls out. And then you also do have a liftgate, which we're going to go ahead and demonstrate here right now. So it's just with this button, and if you look down, the liftgate does work fantastically. It's a Maxon Dual-Piston. Let's see here, 3,000-pound capacity liftgate. Now you do also have tilt axles on these on this liftgate. So it's basically what that means is it'll level itself, and I'll show you what I mean here. Let me just pull it down. All right. So, if we put the liftgate down, as you can see, it's not quite level with the ground, but now it is because of that level axle. So you can see those axles moving right over here, and those work in great condition as well. All right, let's go ahead and check out the box. So again, you've got a 26-foot box. The specific measurements are going to be about 8 feet 2 inches in width, and then you're going to have 8 feet 6 inches in height. So definitely a lot of room here. Pretty much standard box measurements. Now, if you look just over here, you've got 6 rows of E-tracks, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. You also have tie-down boards on both sides, and you have kick plates right over here. And then you also do have that translucent roof. Now we do make sure that our roofs don't leak water. So that's definitely a part of the inspection, just so y'all know. And then you also have those dome lights up there for any night operations as well. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the passenger side. Get you guys a good look, just overview on the box and the body. It all is in great condition. Here's the tires over here. And then a good look at the chassis. Again, no rust. All is looking great. All right. Now, just some general information about Hinos. These are going to be great for inner city travel between cities. You can do between states as well. They are pretty comfortable. This one is equipped with an air ride seat. So that's going to help and make your driver a lot happier on those long rides. It's going to be a lot more comfortable. You also do have air brakes, which is a lot better, especially if you're operating in the mountains. It's going to give you a lot more power in the brakes when you need it. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. So here's your interior. We're going to take a good look at the seats here. You've got a two-seater bench seat, and then this is your driver air ride seat. And here's a good look at the dash here for you. So we're just gonna quickly run through some of the features here. You do have heated side mirrors. You've got the engine exhaust brake, and then you also have power mirrors, power locks, and power windows, which is really cool. And you do have cruise control, and that's about it. The button to dump your suspension is over here on this side, and that's about all the features that there are. All right, let's go ahead and check out the engine. So as I was saying earlier, you do have that 7.6 liter Hino Motors J08E engine. That's putting out between 220 to 260 horsepower and about 520 to 660 foot-pounds of torque. Let's go ahead and better look up here, show you guys what it sounds like, what's going on. As you can see, great condition, running smoothly, and you got automatic Allison transmission. Hino motors, they are similar to Cummins in their reliability aspect. They're going to be super reliable for you. They're going to have less downtime. And yeah, that's really good. Let's go ahead and end that there. All right, everybody, and that will wrap it up for your 2014 Hino 268A. Now, if you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, I'll go ahead and leave a short info snippet covering everything I talked about in the description below. Feel free to check that out. It's just going to be everything I talked about written out. I'll leave our phone number down in the description below as well. Be sure to giving us a call, texting us if you have any questions. Our sales team are awesome people. They answer after business hours as well. I'll leave the link to our website down in the description as well for you guys, in case you want to check out the full listing, the 20 plus high resolution photos that we'll have on there. It's also going to have information about the warranty that comes with every single one of our vehicles, which is going to be really, really cool for you guys. We always try to make sure that our customers are taken care of with our number one priority. All right? So thank you all very much for watching. Have a great one. Stay classy, stay safe. We'll see y'all.